It's finally here. Welcome back to the Scale Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. Today we're taking a first look and unboxing of the Vanquish Origin. And here it is right here. I've got it on the desk in its very fancy box. Very fancy. Look at that big shiny silhouette of the vehicle. It's a, for a box, it's pretty great. I am a bit of a box connoisseur. It is cool to see all the effort they put into this on the outside. We're going to cut to basically a silent unboxing. You'll get to see everything that you will get in an Origin. The only thing missing is the ownership document, and that's because mine's special. Vanquish was very kind to allow me to get a special color. I'm not going to reveal it yet. You're going to have to watch to see, but it is a polished variant of a color that you cannot get currently as of November 23rd, 2025. Maybe they'll offer in the future. I hope they don't. Mine is number 424, and it's spectacular. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be building this up. So we'll do that. Enjoy the unboxing. If you've got any questions about the Origin or how to get one, lots of information down below. And of course, you can leave a comment. I will answer as many of those questions as I can. You can enjoy this video, hit the like button. If you don't enjoy it, hit the like button as well, in anger. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Nice.
Little Easter egg. You remove this little tray that you can store stuff with down here, and you've got a little clip art of an animated moose and a little landscape. Very Swedish indeed. And that moose has a friend, actually. Underneath your front, the coverage here, there's another little moose there for your glove box, which is in the middle, because that makes it easy to drive that you can get in the States. That would be what we get here in the States is the dual motor. The quickest Volvo, that's the car to talk about our battery per kilowatt hour, but the system will be a little bit more 8 kilowatts. But at home on my level 2, it'll do 11 kilowatts, and it'll charge my face my front. I love the logo grill up front, and you've got your Thor's hammer LED headlights, the wheels that totally fit the personality of the car. Single button for close, no separate button for close and lock, but hey, I'm just glad that's not a tiny bit of room. I've got an inch of room maybe in front of my knees, as it looks like. Window controls along with the USBs. Really no cup holders over there. In your door, no cup. Got Google bills so you get to have it for $95. The Ultra trim starts at $47.8 information, so you can make 5. Jealousy. Have a lot of safety features in here, but I think you don't have a cluster. Everything is in the screen, and like most of the time when you're on it, you can look past the line. What if you have beside you that you deemed appropriate to put on the show?
A campaign to stop that as an incentive for you to get these, but anyway, you can also get prices from leasing.com, which includes VED, and Volvo are doing 0% finance if you wanted to pay half and pay half conversation with someone, and it's a difficult car parking space, and you're in the middle of a conversation.
If we like start dancing to a non-existent beat, then I like right here. I wonder what BPM.
Such a nice shine on this. And if you were a layman, you'd go, well, that's just the champagne color that they just offered as a special set of panels. It's not. Karina asked me today how I liked it, and I told her how much I liked it. She also did a set of BBW Sierras in the same color, which is pretty sick. So now I'm in a real conundrum because what do I do here? Do I use these guys? I decided to go with Trepidors because I think Trepidors is the right size tire for this buggy. But there it is with the X-rays, and I did the gloss black ring, which I think is a nice combo. For the sake of mock-ups, I did the Sierras with a red ring and a black IFR ring, which I thought would be nice because then it sort of ties the whole truck together, because this is sort of similar to the shocks that come with the truck. So that's the conundrum. It's so nice. I'm not going to obviously do any of the wiring tonight. Oh. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Look at that shine. Yes. Oh, looks so good. More carbon fiber. Who drew that? Brandon, you're fired. Okay, okay. There. Yeah, that's pretty darn good. I feel pretty good about that. That's wild. Well, I'm very honored to have one of these. That's awesome. I'm loving it. These are my choices. It is tough. They both look pretty good. It is nice to have that color match wheel. That is pretty special. So, like, I wanted to make sure I got a color that kind of complemented that. Like the the dark gray one that we did for the film shoot. I thought that one was pretty awesome. It is time to wrap it up. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you are watching this because you watched the rest of the build of the Origin, thank you for sticking around for that. Thanks everybody for watching. I love you. Bye. Have a great Thanksgiving.